Hello! Have you ever wondered what you can do in Vientiane? Well, after a brief search on the internet, I found that there is a really nice archaeological site outside Vientiane. To be more precise, 25 kilometers away. Today, we are in a beautiful Vientiane Central Station. It looks like an abandoned depot, but yeah, it's the bus station, as you can see here. Right, so we're gonna catch a bus and we will go to the Buddha Park. To go to the Buddha Park, you need to either get a bus, as we're gonna do now, or you have to get a tuk-tuk, a private taxi. Of course, we will go for the bus. It's cheaper, faster, and we can meet awesome people. Guys, we made it. We are at the Buddha Park here in Laos, Vientiane, and this is the view from one of the monuments. I believe it's the only monument that you can climb on and have such a magnificent view. Amazing. I'm here with Xieng, my friend. So let me give you a 360-degree view. This is the entrance. This is the entrance of the park. You have to buy your ticket. It's costing 15,000 kip, which is roughly a pound 50. And it looks just magnificent. This grey marble. I believe it's grey marble, but I'm not sure. Back there we can see the Mekong River, and in front of us the magnificent park. This is one of the coolest things you can do in Vientiane. Right, so we are walking in between the statues. It's full of them around, all of them representing a different character. Honestly, I believe these one are the gods, or these one are scenes from real life back in the days, but I'm not sure. We also can see animals like huge crocodiles, like this one. Really, really scenic. A warrior, I believe. 3 heads elephant. This is really, really nice. Look at all the details. That's amazing. Really beautiful. In here we have a huge female. I don't know if it's a Buddha or is Shiva or is a god, but it's just marvelous. Different scenes with different gods. Amazing. The park is really quiet, green, full of life, butterflies, small geckos. Really, really nice, peaceful, beautiful flowers. It's just like a oasis. One of the most beautiful things that I've ever seen in my life. And it's only 15,000 kip, which works out to be roughly £1.50. And here we can see all the gods. A big Buddha, another big Buddha, and this is the huge sleeping Buddha, which is amazing. It's super hot outside, and the difference with Thailand is that in here is not so humid as down there, but it's still hot. there are roughly 32 degrees. I don't know if you can see the lizard on top of the plant up there. This one is one of the biggest sleeping Buddhas. Not the biggest. The biggest one is in Bangkok and it's golden. It's next to the presidential palace. However, this is beautiful as well. It's just incredible. All the details. Although it's a bit old and not refurbished, like the one in Bangkok, it's really nice. Hopefully, with this exposure to the elements, won't damage it too much and will preserve it for future generations. Maybe due to its location, there are not many tourists around, even locals. The park is quite empty. It's roughly 25 kilometers away from the city. And maybe this discourages people from coming here. But it's definitely worth it. All these trees reminds me the dragon trees from Socotra. That's amazing. Socotra is a Yemeni island which has amazing trees. Really beautiful park. Right, so the bus is here. We're going back to Vientiane. The bus is empty. Guys, we made it. We're back to Vientiane. It's almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon and the sun is about to set. It was an excellent day, it was great. Hopefully you enjoyed it. We are going to do many other experiences here in Laos. Hopefully you enjoy the park, the views, the colors, and that atmosphere as much as I did. It's been an absolute pleasure. Signing off.